Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can open up your HP ProBook 640 G2 and upgrade your RAM or upgrade your solid state drive or hard drive, whatever your preference is. Also, you're going to see what's going on inside of the laptop, so hopefully it's going to be helpful for someone out there. First thing first, remove all the screws on the back panel. I'm going to tell you now, it's going to be really easy actually to get to your RAM and hard drive. Use something plastic if you have, credit card, etc. and remove the back panel. I don't recommend using anything metal. You can break it or just it's gonna leave ugly marks on the laptop itself. Okay, back cover is removed and that's how your laptop looks inside. 2 sticks of RAM, battery, hard drive. Here's the closer look. I'm gonna leave some details in description of the video description as well, so if you're upgrading your RAM or anything at all, or if you need a new battery, you're gonna have some reference here. There's your battery now, close up. I leave the battery serial number in the description as well, so and before you actually remove any, like if you remove RAM or if you remove hard drive, I recommend you to remove battery itself. And either way, if you're upgrading hard drive, you have to remove battery, otherwise you won't get your hard drive out, so definitely remove the battery. It's easy enough, there's only a few screws to get rid of and the battery comes out handy enough. Okay, I made a little mistake there, I left one screw in there, so... Okay, there we go, now battery should come out easy enough. There we go, there's your battery, a closer look again. They're good enough batteries if they're new, so probably around 3-4 hours, maybe 5 hours, depends what you're doing with your laptop. I'm gonna remove the RAM sticks now. Currently there's 8 gigs, 4x2 in it. There's one stick. That's DDR4 now, if you are upgrading it. That's the second one, DDR4 as well. So I'm gonna upgrade that to 16 gigs. So 8 gigs by 2, that's what's gonna be on it. There we go, there's your 8 gig sticks. I'm gonna leave the description or details in the description as well for you, so... But of course you can make your own mind up what you want on it. It probably will take actually more RAM as well. It will, I'm pretty sure it will take 32 gigs. Don't quote me on that now. There we go, RAM is installed. Next thing is remove the 4 screws there holding the hard drive into place. And actually this is a very good laptop now. You can either have 2.5-inch hard drive, which is currently there, or you can have M.2 solid state drive. You're gonna see in a minute where this M.2 would go actually. But I'm not gonna upgrade to M.2. I have a 2.5-inch solid state drive, which I'm gonna put in now in a few minutes. And gently pull it back now. There we go. That's what was in it. That's a 500 gig hard drive. It was probably okay, like, but still very slow comparing to solid state drives. It's 500 gig drive, nothing special. It's okay for storage maybe, but to run Windows from it, it's kind of pain. So. And the way solid state drive prices are now, definitely recommend to upgrade. There's no need for drives like that anymore in laptops. To remove the hard drive from the Caddy, just remove these 4 screws on the side. There we go. And you can then gently take out the hard drive itself from the Caddy. It comes out easy enough. Closer look again. I don't know if you are upgrading to solid state drive, you can keep this drive as your, you can store data on it, or pictures or music or videos, whatever. I think these drives now shouldn't be used for system anyway. There you have, there's the 2.5-inch solid state drive now. It's a budget drive, nothing special about it, but it will run a lot faster than normal drive anyways. It's 256 GB solid state drive. And there we have, that's the M.2 slot now. If you are upgrading to M.2 solid state drive, it will be a lot faster with this drive. I just didn't have any of them. So I'm just going with normal 2.5-inch. It's a great laptop actually. I like these laptops. So same thing again, put your hard drive back now, gently. And you can screw in these 4 screws. This laptop would be at this stage now, that's year 2021, this would be around 5 years old. So it's not the newest either. It has i5 6th generation Intel processor in it, and with solid state drive, and if you have 16 gigs of RAM, it runs really nice and smooth. And you definitely get 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 years even out of it. Depends of course what your needs are, what you're doing with it. And same thing now, put the battery back again. Screw in all the screws there. I can't show you the motherboard or any more details really, because I'd have to take a lot more off from it, like, so that's it, like. Put the back cover back again, of course. And same thing, just to apply a bit of pressure now. You can hear the clicks kind of when it's clicking in there. And put the screws back in, of course. I think some of them are shorter, so keep them separately and remember where you took them out actually. There we go, screws are back in. I'm gonna boot up the laptop now and show you the specs after upgrade. Picture quality is not the best, but I hope you will see. That's your hard drive now. I'm gonna go to, yeah, okay. There's your 16 gigs of RAM, i5 processor. I think it will take 32 gigs, so if you have them around, you can try it at least. And let me know in the comments maybe. CPU will support 32 gigs, so should be alright. Go to device manager now and show you there as well. Show you the actual solid state drive. It is recognizable. It had to be, like, because the system is running from it. That's another thing now. Once you upgrade your hard drive, you will have to install Windows again. So there we have, that's the 256 gigs solid state drive. So, okay. Hopefully this video was helpful for someone out there. And if you liked the video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe. Bye bye.